Welcome back, everyone, to our exciting automotive exploration. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of Hyundai's Santa Cruz lineup, a versatile range that offers something for every kind of pickup enthusiast. Hyundai has ingeniously split the Santa Cruz lineup into two distinct versions of the compact pickup, each catering to different tastes and needs. First up, we have the entry-level SE and SEL trims, which are powered by a modest yet capable 191 horsepower four-cylinder engine. These trims offer the choice between front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, providing options for varied driving preferences. Moving up the ladder, we encounter the more robust and exhilarating trims. The Knight, the all-new XRT, replacing the SEL Premium, and the top-tier Limited. These models boast a spirited 281 horsepower Turbo 4 engine, coupled with all-wheel drive, delivering a thrilling driving experience that truly sets them apart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and auto news. Let's keep it going. Let's talk pricing. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz lineup starts at an accessible $28,275 for the SE trim and climbs to $42,695 for the Limited trim, offering a range of options to suit different budgets and preferences. Our recommendation? The revamped XRT trim, formerly known as the SEL Premium, remains a standout choice. Despite its higher price point compared to the base SE and SEL trims, the XRT's turbocharged engine delivers superior acceleration and towing capabilities, making it ideal for those seeking a blend of power and performance. Under the hood, the Santa Cruz offers two distinct powertrain options. The SE and SEL trims house a capable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, while the Knight, XRT, and Limited trims feature a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder powerhouse. The turbocharged engine not only boosts performance with 281 horsepower, but also elevates the towing capacity to an impressive 5,000 pounds, making light work of hauling tasks. Speaking of towing and payload capacity, the Santa Cruz stands tall with its ability to tow up to 5,000 pounds when equipped with the premium turbocharged engine. This places it on par with other unibody trucks in its class, offering ample capability for various hauling needs. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Santa Cruz delivers respectable figures across the board. The base engine with front-wheel drive achieves an estimated 22 mpg city and 26 mpg highway, while the turbocharged version maintains efficiency with 19 mpg city and 27 mpg highway, ensuring a balance of power and economy. Moving inside, Hyundai continues its tradition of crafting interiors that punch above their weight. The Santa Cruz boasts one of the most refined cabins in its segment, blending premium materials with intuitive design. The introduction of a fully digital gauge cluster adds a modern touch, while the inclusion of traditional controls for essential functions enhances user convenience. The crew cab configuration provides ample space for passengers, and the cargo bed, although shorter than some competitors, offers versatility with features like a lockable tonneau cover and a handy in-bed trunk. Infotainment and connectivity receive a boost in the Santa Cruz, with an 8-inch touchscreen standard on lower trims and a larger 10.3-inch display available on higher trims. The system integrates seamlessly with features like wireless device charging, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and Hyundai's BlueLink services, offering a suite of connected capabilities for modern drivers. On the safety front, the Santa Cruz doesn't disappoint. Standard driver assistance features include forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert, providing peace of mind on every journey. In terms of warranty and maintenance coverage, Hyundai shines with its industry-leading plans. A comprehensive limited warranty covering 5 years or 60,000 miles, coupled with a robust powertrain warranty of 10 years or 100,000 miles, ensures long-term confidence and reliability for Santa Cruz owners. Additionally, complimentary maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles adds further value to the ownership experience. In conclusion, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz lineup offers a compelling blend of performance, versatility, and value. Whether you're drawn to the practicality of the base trims or the exhilaration of the turbocharged models, there's a Santa Cruz variant to suit your lifestyle. With its impressive towing capacity, advanced technology, and stylish design, the Santa Cruz proves that Hyundai is at the forefront of innovation in the compact pickup segment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video. Bye for now.